right? So logical operators, in order to achieve this logical and logical or logical not, right, in our JavaScript program, we're going to use some of the operators and that we say it as logical operators. At last, we're going to get the result in the form of Boolean, right? Either it is true or false, right? So how we get the result? Based on the values what we declare in the variables, as we seen in the variable a, variable b, right? So in normal condition, so whether it is equal, it is either true or false. But when it comes to logical operators, we have some of the truth table, right? So value of a is true, value of b is true, then it is true in the and operators, right? This is a symbol used for and this is a symbol used for or, this is a symbol used for not operator, right? So truth for and, if both value are true, then it is true. If any of the one value is false, then it is false, right? So true false is false, false true is false, false false is false. Only both variables values are equal, then it is true. If any of the one variable is not equal, then the result is false, right? Then the result is false. So how to do that one in the program, right? So the same thing I will give. Okay, I will not change anything. So I will just change the title part, right? So here I will change to logical operator. Then I will change this to variable value like 10. So for better understanding, we will use this integer. So 10 and 10 I will use. So we have to compare now, right? We have to compare. What we have to compare? So now I will use a. I will do the condition here, right? A is greater, is less than or equal to b. This is a one condition. Then I will use AND operator. Then a is not equal to b, right? So we can see here. So what will be the result? What should be the result here? A is less than or equal to b, right? A is what? 10. Less than or equal to b is 10. You have, if you have not written this equal, then here it is false. Here we given a is less than or equal to b. Equal, yes, it is equal. Both 10 and 10 are equal. So here the result is what? Here the result is 10 and it is true, right? We got the Boolean is true. Now we'll check with the second condition here. A is not equal to b. A is not equal to b, right? Not equal to. The condition is what? True or false? It is false, right? A is 10, b is 10. But condition what we are given is a is not equal to b. So here we got it as false. Boolean expression is what? False. So in between we have used what? AND symbol, logical AND. So what is the truth table value for true and false? We should get the result as false here, right? So we should get the result as false. So we will check what we'll get. I will just remove this part, save this. Okay, go to the operators file. We can see it's a false, right? It's a false, correct? So now what I will do, I will change this one. I will change this part to equals. A is equal to b. So now both conditions are true, right? So A is less than equal to b, true. A is equal to b, true, because A is 10, b is 10. So now it should be what? True. The Boolean expression result should be true. We got the result as true. Got the result as true. This is of what? Logical AND operator. The same thing we tried in the OR operator, same condition, right? When it comes to OR operator, any two variables are true, result is true. Any one variable is true, then the result is what? True. That is what logical OR says. right? And is like multiple, or is like addition, correct? So any two variables, sorry, two variables are true, the result is true. If any of the one variable is false, the result is what? True. Where? In the OR operator, right? If two variables are false, then the result is false. Just opposite to what? AND operator, right? So here we'll got the result like true, and here true, true and true. So result should be here. We'll get for OR operator. We'll save this one. We get the result as true. So no, there's no change in the result, right? So now what I will do, I will change this one to not equal. Now this comparison result, we got it as true, while this comparison result what we got as false here. So true and false, we should get the result like what? False, right? So here, but we will get like true, because in OR operator, any of the one comparison, any of the one value is true, the result is what? True. This is what logical OR says, right? Logical OR says. And what about not operator? For not operator, we no need of two comparison, right? So what result will get? It will give the reverse of that. If it is true, it will give false. If it is false, it will give true. So what I will do, I will just remove this part. Okay, I will remove this, and I will use the not symbol. Right? This is a not symbol, right? So basically, result what we'll get from here, we'll get result was false. If you use the not operator, result will convert it to true. It will replace that false with true, right? So we can see true, right? So what I will do, I will change to equals operator. Now result we should get like false, correct? Go here, you can see it's a false. This is how we can achieve this logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT symbol in the JavaScript.